hairstyle with my short hair. I just got a haircut yesterday. My tita got me a short hair. Tita ko magupit ako ng short hair. Yan. Magupit ako kay tita kagahapon. May 10. Dito sila Nicole. Tapos tita Lovely. Ako hairstyle. Ganda ba? Cute. Cute ba? Cute. Okay, so gawa tayo ng okay.
You lead the way now. I found it! See, I told you I
Cute.
knew. Yeah, you totally knew.
Cute.
I know they're very
Cool.
far. Oh, Boogie. Well, there you go. Now we're tied on boogies. I think it's a left turn here, and then another left turn. You lead the way now.
Bye! Thank you, Tita Lovely. And thank you, Mamas Nicole, and Mamas Natalie. Mama nila yung dalawa, si Tita Lovely, Mama ni Bedley, pati nila Nicole. Thank you, Tita Lovely. Bye-bye.
That's the problem, bro. And it's not really helping us, is it? Nah, not particularly. Okay, let's just keep running
Thanks.
around until we find it. Yeah.